It's turning around. It's going lower. Got a hammer now. See if we can get back down there and go to new lows. There we go. Just dropped through, made new lows. See if we could get to 114. Alright, just broke through the 114. A lot of covering going on right there, as you can see in time and sale. So I just covered my 800 short position. Made a $216 profit. So I'm up 1266. Let's see if we can reverse here. Looking at the 5-minute chart here. Let's check out the 1 minute. Market continues to go lower here, so financials really suffering on that. Yeah, more of a sell-off here. Actually, it might reverse. Alright, I'm getting in there. A little late, but alright, got in there. 800 shares at 114.34. See if it could continue popping here, maybe up to that moving average. Alright guys, I'm still in this GS play, obviously, and I just want to show you guys why it's important to take the small losses, which I just didn't. I don't know what kept me in this, but I had a mental stop at 114.20, and if I would have taken that loss at 114.20, then I would have just lost $112. And right now, look at my P&L on GS on this position. I'm down 400. You know, if you take it out, if you just take that small loss, then you don't have to see numbers like this. And it's very stressful to see something like this. I was actually down even more. I was down about a whole point. Anyway, I'm just pointing that out. I am fairly confident as if the market will bounce here, and I'm definitely confident it's going to break through this resistance line here. And another thing, my entry point was based on this candle right here. This is like a head fake, more or less. So just talking it out, what happened in this trade and what my mistakes were. And I'm gonna be back to update this. I'm gonna hold on to it until I see profits, or if we get back over 114.20, then if it can hold at 114.20, then that's where I'm gonna get out. Alright guys, just started to get back around that 114.20 area, and see if it can continue on. We just got 3 green bars, so there might be a reversal coming right here. Yeah, this is not what I wanted to see. Alright, just gonna take the loss here. like a good trader, and I lost 190. So I'm still up 1076 on the morning, but emotionally it's been pretty stressful. I have to ride through all this crap right here. On GS, I should have just taken that loss. You see, it's not so bad taking a loss. Still alive. Be back with another trade. I just went long on this MOS. Actually had bad news today, but just got into these oversold conditions, and looks like it's gonna try to move up higher. So got 1,000 shares at an entry price of 43.14. So I'll be back to update this one. Alright, just seeing some weakness on the time and sale, so I got out about $100 profit, $130. So I'm up now 1206. I'm gonna start scaling in this Apple. I got 200 shares so far. Average price 1501. Just got some more. It's looking good for a nice pop to maybe 116. Maybe get over and get to 131. Let's see what the market does here. Just looking kind of weak, actually. I'm not gonna. Just got another 200. So I got 500 shares. I'll be back to update this one. The video is getting a little long here. Alright, we got through that 116 level. Gonna take my profit. Added some more. Had 850 shares. Some up 1381 with about 150 in commissions. Might look to trade one more, or I might come back here and call it a day. So I'll be back. It's already 11:15, and man, I should have just stayed in this one. That was my target. This is the high of this candle, 29. Should blast it through. It got to 30. Should have just stayed in, but it just would have been another, how much? About another 10 cents. Another $85. Anyway, be back with another trade, or I might just call it a day. Alright, got back in this Apple here. I think that's what I traded last, yeah. Gonna scale in a bit. It's got 500 already, 600. I think it's gonna get a nice pop. I get another 100 here. I'll be back to update this one. Alright, nice little pop going here. Profit takers are here, but see if I could get out somewhere in the 30s. If we get another little pop here in the spiders, it's definitely gonna fly into the 30s. Alright, here we go. We might get it here. Get back to 29. Just needs a little pop. There we go. I just took my profits. Closed out with $133 profit there. So I'm up 1561 on about 170 in commissions. 16,700 shares traded. 27 trades. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something off this. I know you guys seen that bad GS trade. I keep learning when to not when to stop out, but to go with the gut, and to definitely uh, to definitely take small losses and let the profits ride. So anyway, please rate, subscribe, and comment, and I hope you guys are making money in this market. So not too great of a day today. Well, yesterday and today were pretty good for me, but it's kind of been tough trading. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to rate, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.